What's up guys, Joey here of Tech, and recently, top Chinese smartphone brands have been releasing interesting devices all the way from the high-end to the entry level. And here we have another one worth checking out. From Vivo's Y series, we have the Y17, an entry-level phone with triple rear cameras and a whopping 5000 mAh battery. Now let's take it out of the box. You'll see the usual smaller box, which inside keeps the manual, warranty, and a clear case. Then we have the phone itself, set it aside for now, SIM ejector tool here, and finally, the charger, micro USB cable, and earphones. The Y17 has an eye-catching design with a sleek polycarbonate back with a glossy textured look. It has some gradient going on which gives out some reflections when it gets hit by the light. At the back, you'll also find the fingerprint scanner and triple rear cameras, which consists of a 13 megapixel main shooter, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor plus the LED flash. You also get gold accents on the triple rear camera's frame, which is actually a nice touch. Unfortunately though, like most smartphones, this one is also a bit of a fingerprint magnet, so it's better to use the included case. It also does feel a little bulky, but this is a given since they managed to put a huge battery in it. The unit we have here is in the mineral blue color, but there's also a mystic purple variant if you're interested. On the right, we have the volume and power buttons. They're all pretty clicky, well positioned, and are easily reachable even with just one hand. While on the left is a triple card tray for 2 nano SIM cards and a micro SD card that's expandable up to 256 gigs. Moving to the bottom, there's a headphone jack, a microphone, and a single downward firing speaker. And yes, it really would have been better if they put a Type-C port here instead, especially for that big battery. And come on, it's 2019. Taking a look at the screen, you get a 6.35-inch IPS LCD panel with slim bezels but a thicker chin, and a water drop notch for its front camera. You get an 89% screen-to-body ratio and a resolution of 1544 by 720. It doesn't really disappoint for its price. The colors look vibrant and the contrast is reasonable. So the Y17 has a decent MediaTek Helio P35 chipset with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, plus the massive 5000 mAh battery. So far, this setup works well for moderate use, but playing heavy games can be a laggy experience. For software, we get Android 9 Pie skinned with FunTouch OS 9, which will surely be familiar for old-time Vivo users. Moving on to the cameras, you get a lot of useful AI camera features in the app itself. Photos come out vibrant and clear, especially under good lighting, but they're more over-sharpened and oversaturated than expected. Take a look at our sample shots here. We'll be going more in depth in our upcoming full review, but in the meantime, the Vivo Y17 is priced at 12,999 pesos. Let us know what you think of this phone in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon to miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you in the next one.